In the Philippines, there is a rich tradition of craftsmanship and artistry. Skilled artisans create a wide variety of crafts, including handmade jewelry, traditional textile, intricately woven baskets, pottery, wood carvings, and more. These crafts are not only a testament to the country's vibrant culture and heritage, but also a source of livelihood for many people. But here in Burauen, Leyte, the art of making broomstick is a specialized craft practiced by skilled artisans within the community. These artisans have honed their expertise over generations, creating highly quality broomsticks that are not only used locally but are also sought after in markets beyond the region. Broomstick making in Burauen, Leyte has deep roots in local culture and traditions. The craft has been practiced for generations with knowledge and skills passed down from elders to younger members of the community. The origin of this craft can be traced back to the practical need for cleaning tools, and over time, it has evolved into a specialized skills unique to the region. Artisans in Burauen, Leyte primarily use natural, locally sourced materials for making broomsticks. Common materials include straw, black rubber, empty plastic bottle, or other plant fibers that are abundant in the region. These materials are chosen for durability, flexibility, and suitability for sweeping tasks. The process of making broomstick involves several intricate steps. First, the chosen plant fibers are collected, cleaned, and sorted to remove any impurities. Then, these fibers are tightly bound together, often with the help of a sturdy stick of wire, to form the bristle of the broom. Here's the benefits or importance of making broomstick. First, the economic livelihood. The craft provides a source of income for artisans and their families, contributing to the local economy. It supports livelihood and sustains traditional craftsmanship skills. Second, cultural heritage. Broomstick making is a part of cultural heritage of the region. It preserves traditional knowledge, techniques, and craftsmanship which are passed down through generations, fostering a sense of community identity. Third, sustainability. By using locally available natural materials, the craft promotes sustainable practices. It reduces the dependency on synthetic materials and supports the ecosystem by utilizing renewable resources. Fourth is the practical utility. Broomstick crafted in Burauen, Leyte are known for their effectiveness and durability. They serve a practical purpose in households, businesses, and agricultural settings, helping to keep spaces clean and well maintained.